Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best cordless vacuum for laminate flooring you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless vacuum for laminate flooring and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless vacuum for laminate flooring, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a cordless vacuum for laminate flooring. First, focus on suction power that's strong enough to pick up dirt but gentle so it doesn't scratch the surface. Next, look for soft brush rolls or attachments designed specifically for hard floors to avoid damage. Battery life is also important. Choose one that runs long enough for your cleaning area. Consider the vacuum's weight and maneuverability, since lighter models are easier to handle on smooth floors. Filtration is another key factor, especially if you have allergies, so opt for a model with a good 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 filter. Lastly, check for easy maintenance features like detachable dust bins and washable filters to keep performance consistent. Selecting the right cordless vacuum ensures your laminate floors stay clean, shiny, and scratch-free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews.